Welcome to Ingenya Consulting, where innovation meets industry. In a world of endless possibilities, we're your partners in shaping the future of industrial excellence. What do? We specialize in creating industrial solutions that redefine possibilities. Our expertise encompasses the design of industrial facilities for the manufacturing of medical devices, pharmaceutical products, and electronics. Our integrated approach ensures that every aspect of your project is meticulously crafted for success. Our reach spans across the region, with a wide-reaching presence in key countries. We're where you need us to be. Ingenya Consulting is more than a consultancy. We're your strategic partner in realizing your vision. With over 25 years of experience, we've collaborated with multinational and regional clients across diverse industries. Our expertise transcends boundaries, ensuring that every project receives tailor-made solutions backed by a legacy of excellence. Our approach is simple yet powerful. Deep understanding is at the heart of what we do. We dive into your processes, your needs, and your goals. Through analysis, we craft solutions that align perfectly with your vision. Because to us, your success is non-negotiable. We're more than just consultants. We're your one-stop shop for industrial investments. Our integrated design and engineering services ensure creativity meets precision, resulting in solutions that drive efficiency and innovation. At Ingenya Consulting, we're more than a team. We are family. We pride ourselves on being easygoing, fostering relationships built on transparency and trust. We understand that collaboration yields the best results. Our success isn't just measured by projects completed. It's in the partnerships we forge and the investors we attract to the region. We're more than consultants. We are catalysts for progress and your ideal partner in industrial projects. Ingenya Consulting, where innovation meets industry. Join us in shaping a brighter future. And let's do it together.